There is a growing movement suggesting a significant shift in the role of AI platforms. Today, AI is the number one priority of many enterprises, and it is just the beginning of an incredibly exciting time for the industry as AI transforms virtually every business, improves the quality of life, and reshapes every part of the computing market. Today, AI is driving a more efficient and consumer centric innovation cycle, opening up new opportunities and changing the role of insight managers in the process. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. There are two dimensions to this new era of AI. The first dimension is around the user interface. If you think about the arc of computing, the last 70 plus years has been a pursuit to create human computer interfaces that are more intuitive and more natural. We have now arrived at the next big leap, which is natural language. And we get to exercise it across every application and every interface we build. The second piece is around information management. The history of computing has been about digitizing people, places, and things and making sense of them. In that context, we now have a new superpower. We have a reasoning engine that allows us to start with a draft for any activity or task we want to complete. Together, these two dimensions will create massive new opportunities. There is sharp rise of AI platforms. We can't deny the fact that we are in the midst of a massive AI platform shift with the promise to transform how we live and work. Shifting towards AI platforms can bring various benefits such as increased efficiency, better decision making, and potential for innovation. From tools to foundations, traditionally AI has been seen as a collection of tools and algorithms used for specific tasks. This AI platform shift suggests a move towards AI platforms as the foundational layer upon which various applications are built. Standardization and interoperability. Imagine different AI applications like the chatbots or image recognition seamlessly working together because they are built on a common platform. This focus on standardization and interoperability is a key aspect of the shift. This shift has the potential to transform various industries. Imagine AI platforms powering intelligent automation in factories, personalized learning experiences in education, or even revolutionizing healthcare with advanced diagnostics and treatment planning. The efficiency and productivity gains across different sectors could be substantial. Overall, the AI platform shift is a promising development with the potential to revolutionize how we live and work. However, addressing the challenges and ensuring responsible development will be crucial to maximizing its benefits. Let's look into today's headlines. Former OpenAI workers issue an open letter warning about the risks of AI. In an open letter, former staff members of eminent AI firms, including OpenAI, emphasized the risks associated with AI and called for better transparency and regulation. They worry that AI might worsen societal injustices, disseminate false information, and even endanger human existence. In order to promote safer technical progress, the letter asked AI corporations to safeguard whistleblowers and encourage candid dialogues. Raha Infotech and Delinee collaborate to offer sophisticated authorization solutions. Raha Infotech announces a strategic partnership with Delinee. This collaboration aims to revolutionize identity security by providing seamless, intelligent, and centralized authorization, empowering organizations to better secure their digital infrastructure. The Delinee platform, known for its innovative approach to identity security, enables enterprises to discover all identities across an organization, assign appropriate access levels, detect irregularities, and respond to identity threats in real time. Cash-Free appoints ex-NPCI executive Abhay Hota as an independent director. Abhay Hota, a former official of National Payments Corporation of India, has joined Cash-Free Payments Board as an independent director. Hota has worked in the banking and financial services industries for almost 35 years. Previously, he spent almost 10 years as the managing director and chief executive officer of NPCI. Prior to that, he held Chief General Managers, that is Department of Payments and Settlement Systems role at the Reserve Bank of India for more than 25 years. Hitachi and Microsoft ink significant deal to use generative AI. Hitachi and Microsoft Corporation announced a projected multi-billion dollar collaboration over the next 3 years that will accelerate social innovation with generative AI. Through this strategic alliance, Hitachi will propel growth of the Lumada business with planned revenue of 2.65 trillion yen, that is $18.9 billion in FY 2024, and will promote operational efficiency and productivity improvements for Hitachi Group's 270,000 employees. Tech Mahindra and Cisco to deliver AI-powered firewall solution. Tech Mahindra has announced an expansion of its strategic partnership with Cisco to deliver a next-generation firewall modernization solution for their shared global customers. The partnership elevates standard firewall functions with sophisticated features such as unified policy management across on-premises and cloud environments. Additionally, it integrates Talos threat intelligence and delivers comprehensive malware defense for the network and endpoints, among other enhancements. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.